Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make edits on Capcut. So Capcut is used to edit a video and it's so easy to use, and I'm going to show you how to make some basic edits on Capcut. So if you want to start editing your video, you can just click on new project and then you can choose to add a video or photos. So I'm going to add some photos of this one. Okay, just add your photo or video that you want to add into the CapCut and start editing. So you can add audio to your video like this. For example, you can just, I'm going to preview. Okay, I'm going to add this audio, and then you can trim the audio to fit into your video duration. Just go to the end of the video and then drag this box right here. Okay. Okay, so the audio has been trimmed, and then you can also make some add some transition by clicking on this white box right here. Just click on that and then you can find the transition that you want to add into your video. I can, because you can also adjust the duration like this and click on check icon, and then you can also adjust the audio volume like this. So let's start. Okay, so the transition will be applied, and if you want to apply to all of the video, just click apply to all and then click on check icon. Let's see. Okay, so that's all. That is how you can make edits on CapCut. It's just the basic, and you can explore other tools in the CapCut. When you're done editing, just click on the arrow right here and the video will be exporting. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye.